All right, guys, so welcome back again. If you followed along with the previous video, then you should have installed Visual Studio, the Community Edition, on your PC. So let's go ahead and build our very first project. So open up Visual Studio 2022. You should have this installed on your system. If you don't have this installed on your personal computers right now, I would advise you to check out the previous video on this YouTube channel. So go ahead and double tap on Visual Studio 2022 and we will be building our very first project. You don't have to bother yourself if you don't see anything on this pane here. You can see I have several projects because I have been working on, I have I have several projects I have worked on the Visual Studio 2022. And if you don't see anything here, it means you're just using it for the first time. So it's okay to have this place blank. So go ahead and click on create a new project here. So that's what you want to do. Want to create a new project. And the type of project we would be creating is something called a console application. So go ahead and select a console application. Please make sure you are selecting console application C sharp. So you're going to be seeing C sharp here. If you can't see this template here, so this is the console app template. If you can't see this template here, then you can search for it here simply by writing console app. So go ahead and select the console app template for C sharp. So that's the template we want to work on. So double tap on the template. And now in the next window, you would be prompted to choose a project name. So go give yourself a project name so you can follow along with this tutorial, and I will call it my very first project. Okay, so you're more than welcome to change the location if you want, but I would not want to change this location. I would want to leave it the same as the default location. And for my solution name, I would want to keep this the same. Do not do not check this, and we are good to go. So go ahead and hit the next button. Now in the next page, it's going to tell you what framework do we want to work with, what .NET framework do we want to work with. For the case of this, for the sake of this tutorial, we will be using .NET 8.0. You don't need to check any of these items in the checkbox. That's fine. Just hit create, and then it should take you to the next window, and that is the Microsoft Visual Studio. This is your project on the Microsoft Visual Studio. So if you have followed along with the steps, I will say congratulations, and you have built your very um, first console application. So basically what this application does is that it prints console.writeLine on, it prints hello world on your console. So if you want to run this project, all you have to do is click the the green play button here. So hit it and you should see hello world on your console. Hello world. So congratulations, and you have successfully built your first Hello World program that runs on your console. And you're more than welcome to change this Hello World to anything else. So you can say, I can say Hello World. My name is David, and I use Control S to save, and I can hit the run button again, and it says hello world, my name is David. So I'll see you guys in the next video where I would walk you guys through the Visual Studio, get you guys comfortable with all the sections of the or tabs of the Visual Studio, and tell you what they do. Just a few important tabs, for example, like the Solution Explorer, and what all this bunch of stuff, what they are meant for, if they are actually going to be important in our projects. So see you guys in the next video, and thank you.